Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Today I plan to go explore Batu Caves, which is around 15 kilometers from my place. First we'll be heading to KL Center, where all of us have decided to meet, and there we'll have some breakfast. We get some Indian breakfast over there. From there we'll head to Batu Caves. So we are over here, Tunsan Batan. We are heading to KL Center to have breakfast. Then from this main metro station we'll be taking the blue line to Batu Caves. So Batu Caves is the last station and we are about to reach. You can already see some mountains and everything. It was around 20 or 25 minutes of metro. They have great connectivity. I had expected Batu Caves to be out of the city, the way it looks between mountains. But that's great. But it's good to have metro line until here. So this is the entrance, and this is the statue of Hanuman, and and the caves start right from there, I guess, and it's like a city of its own inside. So that is not the entrance. The local guide are just trying to force us to enter that section where they're charging money. So the caves start on this side. I think the statue is already visible, so that is where the caves start. जितने लंबे ये स्टेयर्स दिख रहे हैं वहाँ तक चढ़ना होगा, और इसके बाद वहाँ से केव्स शुरू हो गए. अंदर पूरी एक सिटी टाइप है केव्स की, जितना मैंने वीडियो में देखा है. तो आज तो हालत खराब होने वाली है इतने सारे स्टेयर्स चढ़ने की. Let's go. Let me just go and grab some cold drinks or something refreshing. I'm going to take a coconut, but the coconut shop does not accept camel or entertainment. My favorite piece of I love you, but I don't have space to carry them. Some energy drink, some energy drink. Oh, pink kava. Let me just try this today. There are so many options for cold drinks there. I keep trying one by one every time. अच्छा है, गुआवा सोडा हर फ्लेवर में मिलते हैं इनके पास. इससे थोड़ा हाइड्रेट करना है, थोड़ा खुद को मोटिवेट करना है इतने स्टेप्स चढ़ने से पहले. उसके बाद विल स्टार्ट द क्लाइंब. अभी बंदर पकड़ के मारेगा ना, इसको पता चलेगा. Let's start the trek. Not the trek, but the climb. देख के ही चक्कर आ रही है कि इतना ऊपर चढ़ना है. But the stairs are beautiful, colorful. I wish I had a drone to shoot all of this. We're already half the way, and this climb is very steep. I think going zigzag would help, but not a lot. There are a lot of monkeys, so we have to dodge them while we climb. We are at the last few steps. It was not that difficult, but too steep. So you have to pause for a little bit, take a break, and then continue. The caves are from here. Oh wow. So magnificent. entering the caves. At least यहाँ धूप नहीं है. I'm expecting it to be a little cool. That's the entrance and we are entering the cave. It's so huge. There are so many temples inside here. Cooling down a little bit. All my friends have gone to visit the temple. I'm just relaxing a little bit so that I don't keep sweating. But you should see. These are the cave looks, and I think over there behind the light, there's an opening to the cave again. This is such a huge cave. You can see a few openings here as well. It's amazing. That's the opening to the cave, and there are again so many steps to climb. I think there's a temple at the end of this, but there's no sunlight, and I'm thankful for that. It's a little cool inside, but this cave is magnificent. Finally out of the cave. Now the weather looks pleasant. There's no sunlight. ये टाइमिंग में हमें आना चाहिए था अंदर. I wish there was a slide from here to the bottom. It would be so fun. But this is the easy part. I can do it. I want to take a... There's a monkey over there. Let's try. Oh, भाग गया. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे. All the monkeys eyeing on the snacks. कहाँ से snacks खाएंगे? There's a monkey over there who's eating. Let's try with this monkey. Someone is screaming, the monkey is attacking them, and they're running. It's so dangerous. The stairs are already so steep. Oh, I can take a picture of here. Some uncle is playing with the monkey. God, I'm so confident with him. I think he's a regular visitor. I'm scared if they'll attack me. Masak kali, urum masak kali. So हम लोग नीचे पहुंच गए हैं लंच करने के लिए. देखेंगे कौन सा रेस्टोरेंट अच्छा है. We have few options over here. We'll see कि कुछ अच्छा दिखे खाने के लिए तो we'll have lunch and then we'll head back. You also have a peacock cage. They have white peacock and the colorful one is in this cage. So that's all from Batu Cave. It was a good tourist spot, I would say, and if you ever come to Batu Cave, don't be deviated from the local people to get into temples or areas where they charge you. The main area is over there and it's free. We're just walking towards the metro. It is connected to this place actually, barely even 2 minutes of walk. We are in the metro and we are on our way back to the room. We had lunch over there. Luckily we found some fried rice. I had chicken fried rice with an omelette. It's good that there are a lot of options for non-vegetarians, and for vegetarians there have an option. Even in McDonald's, Subway, in KFC, in India you will get some patties, veg burgers. They don't even have an option for that over here in all these franchises. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed watching Autoclave, do let me know. If you're a new subscriber and someone new and we don't know each other, I would love to know you. Comment down below and I'd be happy to know you. Bye bye.